This is a simple cat eye gel design anyone can do. No advanced nail art required. So we're going to be doing our design with our new cat eye gel polish. Now I'm actually going to start with a layer of color first, and then we're going to do our cat eye on top of it. On our first nail, we're going to start with a coat of our black gel polish, just to give us a little bit of a darker background. We're going to polish on 2 nice even coats of this all the way through. And whether I'm using my traditional gel polish or my cat eye, I always like to brush on the coats nice and thin. So this way you're not going to have any issues with curing or wrinkling. So very thin. Now on our second nail, we're going to apply 2 coats of our cat eye gel polish, but we're not going to use the magnet on this layer. So we're just going to use the cat eye color as a background. So today we're going to be working over a prepped full cover tip. You can do this design over full cover tips, you can do this over enhancements, acrylics, hard gels. Just make sure that if you're working over an enhancement or a full cover tip, that you've completely removed the shine, cleansed with swipe, and apply a coat of protein bond. Then you can go right into your gel polish color. We're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Alright, so our first layer is cured out, and I am going to go ahead and do a second coat of both colors for really good even coverage. And then we'll cure again for another 60 seconds. Alright, our second coat is cured out. Now we're going to grab our matte non-tack top coat, and we're going to matte these nails out. So again, just like before, we're going to apply a nice even coat of our matte top coat all the way through from cuticle to free edge, even on our cat eye color. So again, we're not actually creating a cat eye look in the base layer. We're going to do that over this. So sealing that with our matte top coat, again curing for 60 seconds. Okay, so now that we have our matte finish on there, now we're actually going to go into the actual cat eye. So we're going to use the same color cat eye that we used on our second nail here. It's called Mother Nurture, and we're going to use that over our black. So go ahead and grab this. Now I'm just going to do just a quick swipe of this right across our free edge. So just kind of creating almost a two-tone look. A little bit of that off, and you guys, you don't have to worry about a perfectly straight edge, because we're actually going to go through and we're going to clean that up. But I do want to just brush through, making sure that I've got enough of that color on there. And we're going to grab our magnet, and you can really create some fun looks with this, just depending on how you hold that magnet in there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to push a little bit more of that sparkle to right along that edge. I'm just going to kind of tuck that nail right in there. Now you can see our sparkle is just right along that edge. So again, a little bit of that two-tone look. I'm going to freeze this into place. This one I'm going to do just maybe a quick 30-second freeze. And I want to make sure that I'm freezing this into place before I go on to the next nail, just to make sure that my cat eye design stays where I put it, and it's not going to move again. Especially if I'm going to do another cat eye design on the next nail. Sometimes when you're working on one nail, if you get your magnet too close to that first nail, it can adjust that look. So you want to make sure, freeze this into place. You can also use the touch cure light if you want to use that as well. Just depends on how you like to work. All right, so we've got our first look created. Now we're going to add a little bit of an accent to it, but we're going to go ahead and do our second nail here. So for our second nail, we're going to do a little bit more of a longer design. We're still going to go back with our Mother Nurture. So that same green that we've already got on there, but we're going to take a little bit of this, and we're going to do maybe kind of a half and half, or even maybe just right down the edge there. Again, making sure that I've got enough of that gel polish on there. And then again, we're going to go in with our magnet and just pushing that right up to the edge. Now here's the fun part about cat eye. If you don't love how that magnet moved the sparkle, you can always go back, clean away that design just by brushing over it one more time. And I'm not even really adding gel polish to it. So you can just kind of clean out your brush, brush over it one more time, and then you can go back in and redo. So it's a very forgiving procedure. So again, just kind of pushing that sparkle right up to the line again. And again, I'll cure this for a minimum of 30 seconds in the UV LED light, or again, I could use that touch cure light to set that into place. So whichever one you choose, whichever is going to be easier for your application. Okay, so we've got our two-tone set in there. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of definition between the matte and the cat eye. To do that, I'm going to use one of our Mission Control gel paints, and this one is called Aura. It is a really pretty gold, and I think that's going to look really nice to separate those two. So I'm going to take just a little bit of that onto my liner brush, and I'm just going to kind of load that into the bristles. I'm just using a ceramic tile here, or if you have a paint palette, you can use that as well. And we're just going to run that right around the edge of our cat eye. And this is why I said that you didn't have to make sure that that edge was perfectly straight or even, because we're just going to outline right around it to create that definition. We're going to do the same thing with our second design. A little bit of that aura, and we're going to draw right through where the matte and the shiny come together. And I like to widen the ends of my line here just a little bit to give it just a little bit more definition. I always call it giving it a little more interest. So it's not just a straight or a solid line. It's got a little bit of movement to it. Okay, we'll go ahead and cure this either in the UV LED light or the touch cure light. So I'm going to go into the UV LED for at least 30 seconds. Okay, so our design is cured. Now, we're going to top coat this, but we don't want to top coat over the matte areas. All I'm going to do is top coat over the cat eye area. So we're going to use our gel polish top coat, and this is a tack-free top coat. So I'm just going to run that right along the edge. And if you don't perfectly cover that Mission Control gel paint, that's okay, because when that does cure, it does have a tack-free finish, a shiny tack-free finish as well. So we're just gonna cap that all the way through the free edge. We'll do the same thing on our second nail here. So like I said, even if you don't get that top coat all the way through the gold, it's gonna be just fine because it's gonna have a nice high shine finish anyways. All the way through our cat eye side. And now we'll give this a full 60-second cure. Okay, so we have our two designs done. So I'm going to finish up the rest of the set here and we'll show you the final look. Hopefully these designs will show you that cat eye can be an easy technique to create beautiful looks.